So we'll be having the Birds of a Feather. Now, Birds of a Feather is an informal, collaborative discussion among like-minded and sometimes with opposing views developers covering topics within similar interests. Example topics are PC versus Mac, Mozilla Firefox versus Google Chrome, Android versus iOS, and others. So are you ready for the topic for today?
It's like a debate actually. So our topic for today will be desktop versus laptop. So we need 2 teams, tapos 3 per each team. So who wants to defend those who are
Go! This is unahan.
Laptop. So punta lang dito. So we need 2 teams.
And the prices are here. So we have 20% off eyewear from 4Eyes and t-shirts from Anino Games.
Yeah. So yeah.
Go!
Come on guys.
Come on guys.
Si Miss, gusto mong sumali?
So let's go. Go, go, go.
So para siyang debate. So,
Go.
i-defend nyo kung bakit nyo mas...
Okay, laptop.
We have 1 for laptop.
2 laptops.
2.
Stage, go stage. Unahan sa stage. 2 laptops na, 1 more per laptop. Kailangan pumunta ng stage.
Okay.
1 more for laptop. Then 3 more for desktop.
Thank you, price. So,
Go!
ito for laptop.
1 for laptop. Laptop sino? Asha, nauna siya.
Sila team desktop, diba? Team desktop. Dito kayo sa sign.
Okay, so dito kayo, team desktop. So I guess we need people na mag-judge.
Okay, so here how it goes. So, meron naman sa inyo nakapag-debate who was able to... Okay, so we're good at it. So, first round, you're gonna say why you like laptops and why you like desktops. And then second round, whatever they said, the second person will have to rebut. Meaning, kailangan niyang sagutin. I-depende niya kung bakit hindi siya agree doon. And then the third speaker, he or she will have to like wrap it up or convince us. Parang gano'n, wrap it up.
Okay.
Yes. Time limit. Siguro mga 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yes, for
each speaker. No, for each speaker yun na.
Maximum 2
the
minutes.
maximum.
Ayun. So, topic ba to?
Okay, so and then,
Who goes first?
Madali, go!
Come on.
Diyos ko, mga takot mga lalaki, babae to. Okay.
Again.
Bato.
Wait lang.
Relax.
Okay, relax. Okay. Rock, 5, 6, rock, paper, scissors. Rock,
paper, scissors.
Okay, who goes first?
English knows split.
Okay.
Sauce. Alright, so, dito kayo, kakampihan ko kayo dali.
Oh, do you
Sige.
speak Filipino? She doesn't speak Filipino.
Oh, really?
Where are you from? What's your name?
I'm so no spiel.
Joanne. Okay.
Really, what's your nationality?
Oh.
How many percent Filipino do you understand? 50%. Okay, sige, maintindihan mo ako. Hirap mag-English kahapon na. Just kidding. Anyway, so let's start with...
Introduce them.
Okay, so what's your name?
Maynard.
Maynard, and then you are
Jean.
Jean and
CJ.
CJ. The
What
team
year?
desktop.
Anong
Year?
IT second year.
IT second. IT cell.
Aba, palakpakan naman sa mga supporters ng ating second year dyan! Yeah, break it out.
Sila ano, section mo.
Bias ako.
Saan sila naman? Year saka course.
First year IT.
Saglit, wala pa.
Second year IT.
Second year IT.
Okay, we have a person. Okay. So again, for the first round, you have to tell us why you like
Why you like desktop? Are you ready? Yes.
wait lang, timer.
Alright, so front.
Okay.
Huwag mo masyadong ganyan-ganyan na. Carry lang, dapat ako sa harap. Ha?
Ready na? Alright?
Alright. Oh, go. Kung hindi nyo mag-gets, hindi Tagalog ka na lang.
Okay? 2 minutes. Maximum 2 minutes. Okay. I-summarize na lang. Okay, timer starts. Timer starts now.
Gusto namin gusto namin desktop kasi una sa lahat sa bahay lang siya saka heavy duty siya saka yung monitor pwede mo lakihan yung laptop natatanggal ba yung monitor ng laptop tapos yung parts ng desktop, madaling palitan kasi yung sa laptop, pag nasira yung loob, tatanggalin lahat, di ba? Tapos, mas mahal, di ba? Kumbaga, pag binili ka ng parts ng CPU, ay ng desktop, isa-isa lang, di ba? Tapos, yun, heavy duty. Nasa saksakan, hindi nawawala ng battery. Para na lang ako blackout. Tapos,
One more minute.
yun nga, malaki daw yung monitor ng laptop. Tapos, oo nga, di nadadala sa labas yung desktop. Pero, basta yun, maganda ang desktop. Woo! Go desktop! Woo! Napilit lang ako dito.
Ay, dapat dinampanan muna.
Para kang translator ni Miss Anne.
It's okay. Really. Very good, very good. Very good, very good Tagalog.
Okay.
I love it. Thank you so much, Maynard.
You're next, Kuya. Wait. Sorry. So,
Bawal magwala.
who would like to tell us why you like laptops? Sure, okay.
Confident.
Firstly,
Timer starts now.
Okay, firstly, the number one reason to prefer laptops over desktops is due to, firstly, portability. Lalo na college students tayo mga gala. Paano yan? Gagawa tayo ng homework natin, assignment.
I love you to daw.
Kaya natin mo yung iba. Mabuhilag ko eh, wala dito eh. Sayang.
Okay na po. Hindi, okay na. Ano ka start? Go.
Okay, firstly, being college students, saan tayo napupunta, di ba? Alangang desktop lang. Siyempre, kung gagawa tayo ng assignment, nahuli naman tayo saan, magagawa natin siya. Especially, mga alangang ID tayo, mag-program tayo, dapat maganda may portability. As for yung mga specs and such, oo, medyo underpowered ang laptop. Pero kung alam natin yung proper techniques, yung proper care ng laptop, yung sa heating niya, cooling systems, and pwede natin mag-overclock ang laptop, nga lang, proper cooling. Tsaka, as for the display, pwede tayong mag-connect na external display. Gusto nyo, connect nyo pa sa projector o sinihan. Kahit gano'n, diba? Yung as for mga external peripherals, pwede na upgradable din siya, parang desktop. Ayun nga lang, mas compact siya. Ayun nga lang, syempre, pwede mas madali din siya linisin kasi all-in-one na siya. Ayun, tsaka especially peripherals, yung pag sakali mang pag desktop, bibili ka pa ng webcam, bibili ka pa ng extra mouse, kasi lalo na walang mouse, trackball. Only touchpad lang meron siya. Lalo na, especially power supply. Ang desktop, ano nangyayari pag nag-brown out? Di ba, Christmas lights? Ang desktop pag nag-brown. Di ba, ang desktop? Maubos ang time, 30 seconds na lang. O, di ba? Number 1, isa pa, importanteng reason, power. Ang desktop, pag nag-brown out, shutdown, di ba? Ang UPS mahal. Ang laptop, may battery. Hindi ka may shutdown lang isa, di ba? So that's it in a nutshell. Underpowered pa ng laptop, it can still have the power. Okay? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Wow!
Ang tara.
Okay, settle down, settle down.
Ayan, nasa yung mga fans. Alright. Pero mas na-amaze ako kay kaka-interpret. Anyway. Galing. Okay, so, Team Desktop, are you ready to rebut? Defend Desktop. Alright?
Desktop kasi...
Wait lang, wait. Wait. Here. Okay, timer starts now.
Desktop kasi yung mga parts ng desktop, mas mabilis, mas maraming parts na makikita sa sa mga bilihan. Kasi sa mga laptop, ang hirap hanapin. Sa kailangan pa minsan pa sa ibang bansa. Oo nga, battery powered nga yung laptop. Ano naman kung mag-brown out? May mga power generators naman eh. Laptop, isa pa sa laptop, yung mga di ba? Ang laptop, ibig sabihin, pinapatong mo sa laptop. Ibig sabihin, yung radiation mas malapit sa katawan mo. Pwede ka magkasakit. Habang yung desktop, nakaupo ka lang sa harap nun, hindi nakadikit sa'yo. Sa harap pa lang niya, pwede mo gamitin. Safe na safe ka doon. Kasi sa mga laptop, nakapatong sa lap mo, nakadikit sa katawan mo, pwede ka pa magkano doon. Isa pa sa desktop, mas reliable siya kasi sa mga laptop. Kasi yung mga laptop, mabilis maginit, di ba? E di mas mabilis masira yung mga parts nun. Mas mabilis matuloy yung mga chips. Saka yung upgrades ng desktop, mas mabilis makita kasi sa mga laptop na sinabi na nila, upgradeable na, pero mas mahirap naman. Ano pa? Mas mura daw desktop. Desktop, pwede mo siyang buuin galing sa iba't ibang parts. Ang laptop, pwede ba? Hindi pwede sa laptop yun.
Alright!
Okay. Hindi kami papayag. Sayang ang translation ko kung hindi kami mananalo.
Kasama mo tayo sa naglalaban. Sila nga tayo.
Okay, for Team Laptop, we have, what's your name?
Oh my God, guys, kailangan nyo na translator. Go na.
Okay. Wait.
Alright, timer starts now.
Okay, so, go Team Laptop!
Go Team Laptop.
Team Desktop are just saying dumb points like how the desktop, when it's spoiled, you can replace the part but also in a laptop, when a laptop is destroyed, you can replace the part. And it's easier in a laptop because all you have to do is take one device to the computer shop. But unlike the desktop, there are many parts, many components. When one thing is fault, everything in the laptop cannot function. For example, the Wi-Fi, the mouse, the speakers, the webcam, you all need different components. But for a laptop, everything is there, it's all built in. If you want to use the Wi-Fi to do something, you have to have a different connector to connect the Wi-Fi in order for you to get internet access. A lot of things, something wrong with desktop is that you need a lot of wires. Whenever you're with your desktop, you get confused because there's so many wires, you have to plug in different places. But for a laptop, not like that, because it's very, very easy. There are different things you can do. All you have to do is have your laptop. And they were going on about radiation. What does that even mean? So you're saying that there's no radiation in desktop? That's wrong. Because radiation exists in both desktop and computer and laptop. You just have to know how to use it. Proper use of computers, my dear. And also, my company was saying that radiation, you can always reduce the brightness if you don't want to have radiation. There's mobility, easier to use, and everything. So all your arguments were invalid. Thank you.
Para laptop lang yun naintindihan.
Ako nga, radiation, hindi ko pa alam yun.
Saka yung ano yung huli sinabi. Invalid.
Program lang, invalid.
Okay.
Uwi na tayo, tara.
Oo. Okay guys, at lalaban pa kayo. Sino huli? Ikaw. Joke lang. Ako mananalo kami. Team Desktop. Diba?
Kami.
Oh, coach nila daw. Itagalog mo ng malalim para hindi.
Okay. Pwede ko ba mag-start para... Okay. Ready na? Timer. Okay guys, quiet. Timer starts now.
First of all, binabati ko yung blockmates ko. Okay, sinabi ni Joe na yung laptops, all-in-one na siya. Yung laptop, all-in-one na siya. Meron siyang speaker, webcam, and so on. Paano pag nasira yung webcam? Madali ba siyang mapaltan? Tapos, sa mga heavy gamers katulad ko, iniiwanan ko minsan yung PC ko nakabukas like mga 2 weeks, gano'n. Kung gagawin ko sa laptop, ano na mangyayari sa laptop mo? Siyempre, mas better.
Hey!
So sinabi ni Kuya kanina yung upgradable daw yung laptop. Mas mahirap siyang, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-upgrade ng bongga.
Bongga?
Hindi siya pwedeng i-upgrade ng bongga tulad ng desktop. Sa desktop, napakadali itong i-upgrade. Hindi katulad ng laptop. Tapos madali din magpalit nga ng parts. To sum it all up,
Kuya, wala mo maawit. Parang...
mas better ang desktop.
Flip top ba to?
Okay, so tapos na ang Team Desktop. Now it's time for
Team laptop. Ang dami pang bayad ng kuryente ni Kuya, 2 weeks.
Oo, nakabuka.
Ba't talo pa yung aircon? Next. Last. May support.
Relax. Pag nanalo sila sa kanila yung prize, hindi sa inyo. starts now.
So, sabi nila, pag nasa desktop, pwede masira yung camera ng laptop. Pag nasira yung camera ng laptop, pwede masira yung laptop. Di ba yung laptop may warranty? So, meaning kasi, pag may warranty, yung laptop as a whole may warranty. Pag nasira siya, pag alam mo na kung saan mo siya nabili, maayos mo siya agad. Unlike pag sa computers, yung mga hardware niya, pag nasira, nga ka. Diba? At the same time, being a Filipino, alam natin mas gusto natin yung pinakamura. So, bakit ka ba mag-i-spend ng 20,000 pesos sa isang sobrang bigat na desktop kung makakuha ka naman ng 20,000 pesos sa sobrang gaan na laptop na mas marami pang features sa isang desktop? Diba? Tapos may isa pa.
Relax.
Tapos may isa pa. Sinasabi din natin na yung laptop is parang radiation. Well, para sa akin, hindi rin makatotohanan dahil ako gumagamit ako ng desktop at saka laptop. Yung screen lang naman, may radiation din naman yun. So hindi nila pwede sabihin na mas malakas yung radiation ng laptop. Kasi, babaan mo lang yung brightness, tapos na. Ganun din sa kanila. And lastly, sa atin, sa APC, anong mas marami? Desktop user or laptop user? Yun lang. Kung sino mas marami, yung sabihin ko mas magamit. Thank you.
Alright!
Okay, Kurt.
Group hot daw, group hot. Ano daw?
Wala pa ka naman. Ay, wala akong hard feeling sa akin. Ikaw, Kurt, kung pipiliin ka, laptop o desktop?
Ako kung papipiliin ako, Saglit. Ayaw ko yung laptop, ang bigat ng laptop. Kung papipiliin ako, gusto ko yung laptop din. Kasi,
Lumbing.
inabaharap ko rin yung desktop. Joke. Anyway.
Sige, before natin Shaifa mag-aanong sa winners. Ha? Sorry. At si Shaifa mag-aanong sa winners. But before that, I would like to acknowledge sections. Sorry. Gusto pa nakalimutan ko na. Block M1 and M1. MI121, MI132 for stage, and sa BD 131. Thank you daw, sabi.
Parang makakanak si ate.
Malay nyo, meron kayong I don't know. Saka kayo lang mananalo ng raffle.
Alright, so I guess it's time now to announce.
Let's give it up po muna for Team.
Ay, para natin, Team Desktop!
And, syempre, Team Laptop. Alright. So, ayan.
Yung tatlong babae dito. Sana kayo nagsalita, di ba?
Uy, may laptop. Baka muna kayo umalis,
Magbabalik. Alright, so the winner...
Wait lang, yung consolation prize is meron tayong 4 eyes cash voucher.
Basta papel.
Dahil na may percent. So yun.
Discounted paper.
Okay, and then yung mananalo natin will get Anino shirts courtesy of Anino. 10,000 t-shirts.
At yung papel din naman.
At may papel. Basta
Alright, so, and the winner is...
Drum roll, please.
That's kung kayo, may reklamo kayo doon sa barangay magreklamo, ha? Dito yung charot, joke lang. Hindi, Shari, we can you give some points? Kung bakit desktop ang nanalo?
Ay, wait lang. May sasabihin daw si Kuya.
Bakit?
Kasi po, kami taga MI121 po. Bukas po, meron po kami quiz. Nandito naman kami. So, miss, pwede wag mo na.
Ay, picture muna mga... O, di ba panalo tayo test? Ako ganito talaga dahil.
Picture.
Picture, guys. Guys, ay...
Guys, may raffle pa. Saka awarding ni Team Anonas. Wow. Ay, patigab. Alright, so bago tayo mag-raffle.
Yung winners lang daw. Yung winners.
Ay, raffle muna. Raffle daw muna.
Yung winners, desktop, pa-sign lang ako.
Ay, wait.
Ay, lahat ng may coupon code pala.
You guys are only supporting
Even the team laptop. Anong ganun? Yung team laptop. Hey, you English. You're good. I'm no sleep.
Ay, before tayo mag-proceed sa last part, which is sa raffle, maybe call muna si Paring Dre.
Yes!
Paring Dre.
May we call on Dre.
For closing remarks.
Lapitan ko muna siya, baka nagalit sa akin.
Ay. Hindi, dito ka. Si David. So may I introduce to you one of the founders of Inner Geek Movement. At kayo yung nasa labas sa may
Hindi ako yun. Okay, maniwala. Ang taas, dito ako
May
sa
I give
baba.
the floor to you.
Okay, so, smile. Sorry, tagal. Ayun, so anyways, if you don't know me, my name is Dre. I am not the one outside. That's my twin sister. Ayun, so if you didn't know, this event was organized by the Inner Geek Movement. So, konting background lang about the word geek. Pag naririnig niyo yung word na geek, ano yung pumapasok sa isip niyo? Nerd. Yun lang. IT. Hindi IT. Sexy. Brainy is the new sexy. So si Kurt sexy siya. Ayun. So just to give you a definition of the word geek. Next. So yun, the word geek is a slang word that means a person who has excessive enthusiasm for and some expertise about a specialized subject or activity. Sorry, kanina pa ako nagsasalita. So medyo mabilis na ako magsalita kasi adrenaline rush na kasi hindi pa din ako natutulog. So pag hindi nyo naiintindihan, magsabi lang kayo, okay? Ayun, so yung geek, hindi siya nerd actually. Nerd is not a compliment. Geek is a compliment because it's something that you're enthusiastic about. So you don't have to be an IT geek. You can be a movie geek, a volunteer geek, a hosting geek, sexy geek. It's something parang geek is who you are. So it's something you're passionate about. It's something that you can do for the rest of your life without getting tired. Yun yung inner geek mo. Yun lang. So yun yung point namin. So our aim is to, next slide. We aim to help you discover your inner geek. So nandito kami ngayon at nagpapa-seminar at nakikipartner kay DevCon and all the other startups here to help you discover kung ano yung inner geek nyo, kung ano yung passion nyo, kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin for the rest of your life nang hindi napapagod. Di ba kanina nagtanong si Job Street, ano yung difference ng career and job? So yun, so yung job, papasok ka lang araw-araw, mapagod ka. Career is something na kahit gawin mo siya araw-araw, kahit mapagod ka, pag tulog mo, masaya ka pa rin. Yun. So, and then when you discover your inner geek, we aim to help you unleash it. So, for example, meron kaming inner geek volunteers here, galing silang high school batch nung summer. So, tinutulungan namin sila, pinapamit namin sila sa mga different people, different networks, para at least from there, ma-discover na nila ay kung ito yung gusto nilang gawin. At kung yun man yung gusto nilang gawin, tutulungan namin sila. Malay nyo, next year sa next IT Week, si Justin na yung magtutok dito sa harap. Si Neil na yung magtutok, sila Antonio na yung magtutok, di ba? Dahil na-discover nila at ma-unleash nila at mapapakita nila sa inyong lahat kung ano yung inner geek nila. So, yun. So, madaming nagtatanong na students kung saan makukuha yung PowerPoint presentations ng lahat ng speakers. Next. Nawala yung next. Yun. So, para makuha nyo yung PowerPoint presentations ng mga speakers at ng mga updates ng events namin and everything else, you can go to facebook.com/geekmo. I-G-E. Nandiyan pa rin spelling.
i-geek mo. So, ipopost namin dyan by the end of this week kung saan nyo makukuha yung slides, PowerPoint slides. And you can check out our website, but not yet because it's not done yet. I haven't finished it yet. But you can check out our website soon. It's theinnergeekmovement.com. So, dyan nyo din makikita yung events namin at yung mga links papunta dun sa slide presentations and everything else. So, I hope you had fun in this event. I hope you don't leave yet para may group picture tayo after ng raffle. And magra-raffle tayo ng mga vouchers and t-shirts coming from our sponsors. And bags and pillows.
We have Twitter, right?
And SLRs. Just kidding.
We have Twitter, right? Twitter.
Oh, we have a Twitter, but it's not done yet. It's also twitter.com/igeekmo, same as Facebook. So yun. So, thank you sa pagpunta. Sana next IT Week madaming tao ulit. At si Justin na magsasalita, hindi na ako. Ayun. So, thank you for coming and then we're going to start awarding people. It's there. Make go up. Make go up. Up, higher. More. Oh, it's raffle time. Award ka na muna. Baba. Ayan. So, we would like to congratulate Java Code Challenge winners. For the first runner-up, si Team Wednesday. Tama ba?
Yep, first runner-up.
Team Wednesday. Okay, so Team Wednesday, paging Team Wednesday. If you don't come up here, your prize is forfeited. It's mine.
So, sila yung nag-Java Code kanina.
Nag-Java Code Challenge sila kanina. So, akit kayo ng stage.
Yeah,
You win 1,000 pesos and Stack Exchange ballpens and notebooks from Stack Exchange. Kakasabi ko lang.
Okay. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Let's give them a round of applause. Next time din gagawa namin ng isang malaking cheque na may 1,000 pesos para pinuhat nila magandang tingnan. And we'd like to congratulate our grand prize winner who came in 30 minutes na lang. Si Team Anonas, one-man Team Anonas who wins 2,000 pesos plus a Stack Exchange ballpen and laptop bag. Wala pa kayong mga kamay. 30 minutes lang bago nyo matalo tong mga to. So, picture daw ulit. Okay, ano ulit? Lahat sila. Pwede daw picture muna lahat ng nag-Java Code Challenge. Yung panalo pala, yung mga panalo. Bago kayo si Alisa. Oh my God. Excited na ba kayo sa raffle? Sino gusto manalo ng unan? Ayun, gusto ng mga gusto ng matulog. Maganda yung Brainy is the new sexy na t-shirt. Magkakagalit kayo. It's friendly competition. Okay? Game, so I guess I'll give the mic to Kurt now because I'll be doing the raffle.
Okay, so raffle na. Alright, so our raffle items na una ipapamigay ay Alin na girl? Ayan, ano to? 10% off voucher from 4eyes. 15% off voucher from 4eyes. Dalawa, then another 2 na 20. Isang 20% off voucher from 4eyes.
First is the 15%.
And the winner is... Okay, so we'll have random.org. It's a third-party tool that we're gonna use to randomize all the registrants. So it's 2 kasi nag-start tayo with 2. Talaga? So 2 kasi sa Excel, di ba? You know, Keme, churba. And then 155 registrants. Wow. Alright, so for the first raffle item, 15% voucher. Number 26. Maynard Denoy.
Wow!
Wait, takang-taka ka pa. Nasaan siya?
Nanalo ka ng rubber shoes.
15%. Bigyan lang!
Congratulations!
Alright. Next. 148.
Numero...
Salit.
Numero... 100.
Gabriela Agapito.
Wala.
Sorry. Gabriel Agapito.
Next. Okay, number...
84. Mary Jo Jane Villanueva.
Wala. Yan o.
148.
Na naman.
Wait, ilista nga natin.
153. Uy, mga huling mag-register ito.
Jose Francisco Banseco. Banseco.
Wala siya.
Canseco. Wale. 130. Jedward Adato.
Sayang.
Wala, wali. Ay, may tapo na. 97. Dan Patrick Dizon. Wali. 73. Pwede tayo kumuha daw dito, Trey.
Yung hindi ba dyan hindi nag...
May mga hindi ba nag-fill out ito? Sino? Sige mamaya, paano tayo? So big prizes na tayo sa ano? Ano ba to? From BSITMI, John Aipo.
Si Ate Jo.
Good.
Hey, you have there, right? And another like this, so it's like many, diba?
Like ever. Then this one is
20%.
20% off. Ten. Ayan. Dahil sabi niya, very informative and really interesting ang event from BSITMI second year. Sabi mo, susera ka. Letter J yung pangalan. John Emmanuel Peron. Johnny M. Ay,
Congrats.
Hey, congrats.
Gamitin mo sa mabuting paraan.
Oo. Alright, next item. We have Smart Devlet t-shirt plus 15% for ice vouchers, tatlo. Then tatlo freelancer t-shirt with 15% for ice vouchers. And then tatlong Geek Speak t-shirt plus 15% for ice voucher. Then we have Job Street Pillow plus 20% for ice voucher. And then Smart DevNet laptop bag plus 20% for ice voucher.
Smart Devlet muna na t-shirt. Alright.
Okay, so first item, Smart Devnet t-shirt and 15% for shirt. Sabi niya, it was a great seminar. Very informative.
Parang yun yung puro sagot ah.
First year. Yes, ITMI. Babae. Mark Andrew Perez.
Wow. Natayo na si Kuya.
Oh, very confident.
Nanalo ka
Thank
na,
you.
smart decision.
Alright, next.
We'd like to thank Smart,
Eto,
freelancer, and for
first year ulit. BSITMI. Ayaw mo basahin yung comment. Matthew John Ilaga. Congrats. Sabihin ko ba? Next, last Smart DevNet.
Yeah, smart.
Sabi niya, great topic. From BSITMI, first year. Jean Villanueva.
Oh, may iPhone ba tayo dyan?
Sabi niya, the flow of the seminar is good, but other topics are boring.
Okay.
First year, BSITMI. Amiel Christian Kuasay. Ay, ikaw ba yan? Alright, next title, freelancer t-shirt, plus 15% for vouchers. Tatlo. Saan ba tayo?
Don't worry guys, kasi these are like, we really accept your opinions. Kasi it's like a constructive criticism that, so the next time,
Yes.
malalam na namin kung ano pang mas improve namin sa aming gawin. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
So, like to thank Freelancer for this.
Okay,
And for
ito. Absolutely informative, but seemingly lacking in interactive activities. First year. France. Katungkan. Wala. Ulit mo. I have a good time listening to the speakers. Agatha Ashley Jackson.
Ito yung sinisig ko kanina, ito yung laptop.
Then, next we have other speakers did not interact with the audience. That is why we get bored. Anna Victoria Cora. Ay! Very nice and informative speeches. ID number 2012 100049. Carl Bueno. Aba, very confident.
Thank you for that.
Hindi memorize ang ID.
Okay, next. Geek Speak T-shirt.
Sige, okay. May mamaya daw yun, lahat na nanalo sa raffle Victoria. Next!
Geek Speak T-shirt. Sorry, what?
Dyan na daw. Okay,
Dito na
fine.
daw. Geek Speak T-shirt. Asan?
Geek Speak T-shirt.
Ayun yung raffle.
Because brainy is the new sexy. I'm sexy.
So we have
15% off.
and then-
For eyes.
So yung nakita nyo kanina sa registration, ito yung t-shirt natin.
Yeah.
Brain is the new sexy.
Francis Vega. Francis Pega. Wali. Nag-badminton. 141. Patrick Dolo. 152. MI na lang lahat.
Yes, MI. Saka may GD. May GD.
Apat na?
Here, oh, Andrea.
Apat na GD. Okay. Okay, wait lang. Go, next, generate. 10, okay.
Ay, nga pala. So, di ba we have companies here na muna sa atin. So, first, mamimigay ako ng calling card. No, hindi ako taga dito. So, we have Stormy Rewards kanina. Right now, they're looking for internships. So, anong year na ba kayo? Okay, yeah. So, by this time, international. Ayan. So, bibigay ko ito sa inyo. Ayan. So, Neil, will you do the honor? And then, we have Shari from 4Eyes. She's the content manager of 4Eyes. Na-stuck yung buhok ko sa mic. Ayan. Ayan.
Hi guys, I'm Shari, and on behalf of 4Eyes, I'm inviting everyone to be a part of our team to help us with our mobile application. We're looking for interns for graphic designers, web and mobile developers, and marketing assistants. So, well, marketing assistant will do mostly the content for the mobile application and will help with the social media marketing. So there. You can visit our Facebook page, facebook.com.ph/4eyesph. And then we have a website. It's www.4eyes.com.ph. By the way, 4Eyes is an online eyewear store. So we're selling computer glasses and prescription glasses for as low as 1,495. So thank you.
Ikaw, Kurt, may
Alright, ako naman magpa-vlog ako. Pa-vlog ako ng The Inner Geek Movement. So, meron kaming volunteers, kasi ang tinatawag namin sa kanila, The Geeks. So, gusto ko nga palang pasalamatan muna and bigyan ng time ngayon ang The Geeks na narito ngayon ng dalawa. Tatlo, si Justin, stand, ayan. And then si Neil, and then si Patrick. So mga first year students sila, and then last summer they attended our first event for the Inner Geek Movement, and they applied for to be part of volunteers. Now we are looking also for volunteers from you guys if you wanted to be part of the Inner Geek Movement, the Geeks. You can contact the three of them, or you can contact me. You can add me on Facebook or Twitter. Ayan, ano ba tawag? Ayan. You can email us at igeekmo@gmail.com, or you can send us on Facebook, igeekmo page. And then, what's in store with them? We're actually now preparing them for a lot of workshops outside, and we're even building them, making them prepared, for, especially showing them the opportunities outside, especially with communities. Ay, may nakalimutan pa pala si Jem pa pala. Ayan, para pa. Tayo ka naman, Jem. Okay, sige.
Pero kung naiya kayo, you can,
or you can approach me later if you want to be part of it. Okay, Rapon. 93. Wala.
wala.
Wala. Umuwi na. Tagal mo, Jay.
You can always add us on Facebook. Yeah, you can... Yeah.
Riza
Bisbal.
Bisbal. Riza Bisbal. Wali. Next. Lago May.
No.
First year, second year, tsaka
First year.
first year na.
First year na lahat?
Oo ba? First year, second year. Pero magpaano nila pag-hintay? 36. Arlene Tabayolo. Yeah, that's why you're sexy. You're geeky, you're brainy, you're sexy. I know it. Next. 4. Ah, that's my favorite number. Birthday ko nga pala sa August 4.
Happy birthday, girl!
Ano daw? Dustin Noble. Wala yun. Ha? Dwayne Torres. Wow.
I'll give it to someone.
Yes, I'll give it to someone. Yeah. Lababo si Kuya. Sarap naman.
Wow!
Oh wait.
Ay, aral muna. Aral muna.
Ma'am, oh, ma'am. Ma'am.
Last one.
Mark Barbasa. Awali. Marlo Castro. Sayang sa inyo na sa 82. David Arcelye. Makasigaw na dyan. Ikaw na lang. 22. Philippines. Di pwede, nanalo na siya.
Sino siya? Si Mark. Maynard.
Maynard Dinoy. Wala, nanalo ka na. Pangalang beses ka na nanalo. O sige, bibigay yung prize, mag-quiz ka bukas.
Christine Olalo.
Tayo may excite ka ng konti. Uy, yan o, may mga tao.
Kapatid ko.
Yay! Congrats! Congrats! Okay, now we're down to pillows from jobstreet.com plus
90%
off
off couch voucher.
from Raven Gala. Ayaw mo na siya. Yeah!
Girlfriend mo na naman?
Na naman? Ilang girlfriend mo? Ay, isa naman dito. Yeah! Ay, lending namin.
Congrats! Mayroon pang isa!
And another one, pillow from johnstreet.com and
Voucher from Sagot na. John
Paul Bayunido. Wali. Walang list hindi ka kasama.
Sorry? John Provenido.
Yes! Sa wakas, from your group, meron. Pwede naman siyang i-share. Tatlo kayo.
Hindi ko ba yung man?
Alright, and then we're down to...
Last one.
Last one, we have a Smart DevNet bag coming from Smart and...
Voucher from Murat.
And the lucky winner is... Nanalo na siya. Sino? John Provenido, sayang. Jerome Martega! Itapo na lang na.
In fairness, ang ganda niya.
Kuha yung bag ko, gutay-gutay na. 98! Vincent Valdez! Kay ma'am na lang daw ako bigay kayo, ma'am. 53. Mero Swang! Yeah! Ayan. Now we're calling all the winners to please come here at the stage. Pictorial lang po mga kapatid. Pictorial. Photo op. Thank you. Sa lahat ng winners ng raffle items. And then afterwards, we'll have a group picture for everybody.
Wait lang daw.
Ay, wait lang daw. Dahil papayit daw yung, ano to? Content manager ng 4Eyes. 4Eyes, mamimigay siya na vouchers! Ilang vouchers ba?
Okay, 14.
14, 15%.
Paunahan na po.
Ay, 10%. Paunahan, umakyat sa stage ha. Bawal ang
Huwag
volunteer.
kayo. Huwag na kayo.
Susera kayo. 1, 2, 3, 10 lang pala, 10. 4, sino pa? 4, 5, 6, 7. Yung may mga salamin dyan, pagkata nyo mapalitan yung 7,
Ako na lang pala.
8, 9, okay na, 9 lang.
Yan si Kuya.
9 lang daw eh. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, partner line. Baba tayo. Ay, binabigay lang talaga.
Para.
Joke! Joke na daw, joke lang. Paunahan na yun, siyam na ulit. Alright. Photo off sa lahat ng nanalo. Thank you guys. Go, dyan na kayo. Picture na tayo. Go. Guys, yung picture please. Sa lahat ng winners, thank you. Picture. Mga kuya. Picture. Yay!
Kapag na-picture na. Okay pala yun eh. Okay pala. Kayong maingay. Meron kang pang naririnig. Pero yung noise, parang maliwan. Mura lang. 200. Kasi ito naman talagang ginagamit sa trabaho ka. maingay, kailangan talaga ng producer. So, madali lang talaga. Kung mabaril ka,
Ayaw mo si mama.
bawal pumasok ng range na wala any form of ear protection.
Ikaw lang yan dyan. Ikaw, Bri, ayaw mo si mama. Video. Sana ano? Laptop. Huwag kasi sirain yung laptop ko. Mamatay ako ng office.
Okay, ready? Guys, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Waki!
Guys, mo yung nasa likod. That's na ano, pasok na. Okay. Okay. Pwede na yung pasito pa, oh. Yung mga nasa likod. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. One more.
Waki!
Okay.